Today we're going to do a recording on how to transfer poll numbers from PORD, Power on Remote Dispatch, over to the new Atlas windows. You will start by right-clicking on the blue bar, and you'll want to export to Excel. And then open that file. It'll open up an Excel sheet with all the trouble tickets on it. You'll want to enable editing. We're going to cut the location isolation poll number. We're going to paste it in the first row. Insert cut cells. Instead of isolation poll, we're going to call this location. And instead of order ID, we're going to call this label. Then we're ready to save our file. We want to do File, Save As. Pick the location where you want to save it. We'll make it an internal document. And we don't want to save it as an Excel file. We want to save it as a CSV file. And then we'll hit Save. And yes, you want to use that formatting. Right now we'll go to Atlas Windows. We'll do the import tool. We're going to browse. We'll find the file we saved at 1147. Select that file, and then we hit import. It loads all your outages into Atlas, and you can close this after you've imported them. Or if you want to go find one, you can click on an outage, and it'll take you to that outage. But we're going to close it, and we'll zoom around and see where all the outages on, what circuit they're on, their location on the map, and that follows you around, and you can zoom in on each outage. That'll be a line fuse. It's going to be a transformer outage. There's two outages that's very close together. Both of them are listed as transformer outages. There's a recloser outage. The nice thing about this is it does show you which outages are close together. If you zoom out to where you can get your circuits colored, it shows you which outages are on which circuits. And the circuit general can take this information and use it in the field, because you don't have to have an internet connection if you have the spreadsheet before you leave. As you clear up your trouble, if you delete, that trouble's been cleared, I can delete that row, delete this row. If I see this is wire crew required, I can put that on the end of my outage number. I can see Clay has this ticket. Put that on the end of this outage number. I do File. I just do Save this time because I already got it saved as a CSV. Go back to Atlas. Choose my import tool, browse. Here's the one I saved at 1150. I import that file. And now I have Clay's name and NC crew required wire on those tickets. And if I find that ticket on the map, and I can click and go to it, it adds those comments on the map as well. I needed to have cleared labels before I imported the second set of numbers. Thank you and have a great day.